Hey guys! So today I'm gonna pick up my dog, Rover. Right now it is June 20, 2020, 06/20/2020. Right at the time is 7:03 a.m. Hopefully everything turns out really well today. I'm going to go pick up Jalen and Krisha because I'm going to be with them. And then we're going to go to Chelsea's place and pick her up. And then from Chelsea's place, we're gonna go all the way to Kingston, Ontario. And hopefully we'll be there by noon, if not a little bit earlier. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna head out. So we'll see you later. Bye! Say hi!
Hi! We are on the way to pick up Rover.
Rover! Hey guys, we have Rover in the house. He's a little whiny still. That's okay. He likes the camera. Likes the camera. Come on.
You wanna go with Daddy? I'm waiting
Come
until my profit is more than that.
He's a little whiny still. He's smiling though. Look at his. Oh. Alrighty. Rover is currently in Jalen's lap because Rover peed on me. We're back again for another episode. But it's Mark from Scarborough. Okay, but we're in Niagara right now. So today, guys.
Whoa! Your hair is red.
Today, guys. Today, guys, we're in Niagara Outlet. This is my first official vlog. My first official vlog. Okay. Hi, guys. She colored her hair. Do you see it?
Jalen colored it for me.
That's Jalen, if you guys don't know.
Oh, really?
From Scarborough.
Say hi to the vlog.
I'm okay, thank you.
Hi. So I just gave
Hi to the
mine.
vlog.
Okay, we're done.
Hi to the vlog. Hey guys, so time check. It is 10:38 a.m. and we're lining up for Nike. Let's see how long I can last without getting frustrated. And going back to the car, turning on the AC on. Hey guys, we just got done at Nike. We spent 10 minutes in there.
Dude, they left us.
They left us. Wait, how do you say Adidas? Is it Adidas or Adidas? Comment down below.
Did people actually comment down below?
No. I hate you. We got the first purchase of the day.
Ding 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 ding.
They're Chelsea. Already 11:30, and we're gonna go to our third stop of the day, which is Marshalls.
Actually.
So we just bought
We should
from
go this way.
Marshalls. We all bought from Marshalls. Guys, show your haul. Yeah. All right. Okay. Show your haul. Right now it's 12:15 and we're on to our fourth store. Guys, there's a scrap going on.
Be mindful of your actions.
Okay, quiet, you're in public.
Honestly guys, I thought they were friends. So guess not.
I'll have some fun.
Hey guys, so the time is 4:05 p.m. and we've settled in Niagara Glen, guys. We're just gonna eat and like chill for a while before we actually go to the real Niagara Falls.
Wow. We're too tired.
Yeah, maybe we're not gonna go.
Where are we all going? We're already here, let's go.
We're tired.
Oh well, I'm tired, but guess what?
I don't like that logic. Why?
'Why?
'Cause I don't like that logic. 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 I don't like that logic.